Alright guys, so I'm gonna be playing Scary Baboon and I'm gonna be actually like trying to beat the game. No, not like beat the game, like beat baboon games. I never beat it before. Just like don't look in there, don't look in there. Alright, so we're gonna be beating baboon games because I never beat it before. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're just gonna have to okay. I don't know why I did that. So let's go.
Zulon.
Yo.
I'm gonna try to troll someone.
Honestly, I
Move. Look what you can do. Red light, green light. Look what you can do. Look what you can do.
The game is glitched.
You can like push people out of the line like that. See?
Alright, we have to join a different room because wow, nobody in here. Once someone joins, there's gonna be like thousands of people. Oh my gosh, there's already 4.
When I hit you.
I'm terrible.
beat my gold. I love my cereal. When my end of that.
Wow, he beat it. Everyone target these 2 people. They beat it before and I'm playing.
Hey, I made it. Oh my 3 clicks.
I did it like 50 times.
Oh, I suck. Don't let him
I'm the gold bar.
Lucy, my truck.
I'm cookies.
I'm about to go back in here.
I'm cooked.
Stop right here.
That's where you really should hide them.
Oh my god. Jump!
Go.
I jumped. I fell.
Go.
I don't know where to go. Flip it. I do not care anymore. Okay, I'm gonna hide right here. I'm not there. I'm kinda scared. Let's just hope I don't get pancaked. I'm scared. I don't know why I'm scared. I'm 12 years old. No, I'm at 10. My bad.
I found the blue.
Wait, please don't tell me he's getting chased. Alright. Let's stick together, bro. Run! Go! He's ready!
Den Glitch, wenn ich niemand töten kann. Ich mache mal den Glitch.
Oh no! He's right there! He's
Guck,
right
vor allem,
there!
guck, da muss man seine...
He's right there! He's right there! I'm gonna die! He's coming!
Joy ball.
What do you guys?
I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! No! Oh my god!
Didn't scare you. Feel okay? Everything's just out of my plan. Do I feel like it?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh! I did it! I did it! Some seeker was chasing me and I did it!
Bro, ich hab den Glitch gemacht.
Ich sag mal,
What?
What the?
wenn aber das gilt nur.
I'm sorry, guys. I eliminated my...
Hey.
Yeah, but then look.
Well, that was a failure.
Then
We're gonna try again. I'm gonna keep doing it until actually like beat it. Let's go.
Voilà, c'est bon.
Oh my gosh, these people are following me for some reason. Wait. Ow, my head. I've been wearing this for 3 hours.
Looking for toys.
Nah, I hate being secret. No, no, I hate being secret.
So fat. Bro, that's bloody so cheating.
Where are all of the
I'm
crates?
gonna die. I'm gonna die. Stop pushing.
Stop pushing.
Stop pushing me.
Oh my god. Y'all are so
Where
fat.
are you guys?
You're so fat, dude.
I love humans. You're fatter because
You're
pushing.
fatter. Shut up. We're the same size.
Oh my god.
There's so much happening.
Stuff.
Oh my god.
Go.
Go.
No,
Guys,
don't push. We're all on a team. We're all on a team.
They're over there.
Terrible, dude. No. Nobody should go to that wall.
Through the wall.
Guys, don't go to that wall.
What wall?
Are we safe on this wall?
That
Are we
wall.
safe at this wall?
You can't get
Are
one.
we safe at this wall?
Oh.
I don't know.
Y'all are terrible. Come out and run like a.
No, we're not. I don't see
No,
another
we're
come
not.
out the bottom. Oh, somebody have long arms. Somebody have long arms.
Definitely
Help me. No. Bro,
Oh,
you're
my head's
pushing
at
everyone.
that.
Stay in the middle. You're safe in the middle. No, there's stuff from anywhere. They have long arms. Some seekers have long arms. Get on the wall.
Yeah, I can't. Y'all are
Bro,
terrible.
It's because he was close.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but I heard a hard R in that lobby, so I'm not gonna be playing in that lobby because I
My
heard a
headset
hard
is
R.
such a
I'm not gonna be playing in that lobby.
My headset is such a
We're just gonna,
bad-
like, switch rooms.
Wait, who wants to change my name? Team VIP. Who wants to do Team VIP? Because I have VIP. Who has
Me,
VIP? I want to be
please,
team.
please, bro, please. I don't
You
not
have
like
VIP?
dying.
Get out. Are you VIP?
How dare you for the VIP?
What the? I got you, buddy. I'm gonna kill you.
I do-
Yeah, you got
Why
me.
did it launched across the entire universe?
Why do you want me to pick? I know what the game do you want me to pick, guys? Follow me.
Guys,
I
get
know
close.
everyone. Exit's over here. Exit is over here.
Yo, be quiet. We know.
Guys, get the key. Shit.
Who has circle? Who has circle?
I got circle. Circle. Run, y'all.
Run. Yo, someone needs to have circle.
Can't hide. Team. I catch them. Team. Okay, follow me. Okay. Shit. Oh my god.
Nobody speak. Nobody speak. We gotta be extra quiet, so then they don't find us.
Oh shit. Does anyone have circle?
Nobody has circle.
Guys. Does anyone have circle? Guys, up here. Come up here. Everyone, come up here.
Just don't make any
If
noises.
the seeker runs through, we jump down and
Guys,
book
I'm
it, yeah?
scared. Guys, I'm
Fucking push
scared.
me. I'll run, yo. I'll keep a lookout. Right.
Don't. You're gonna
Thanks,
give us
VIP, you
away.
legend.
He's gonna give us away.
Fucking pushing.
He can't die.
I'm scared.
Dude, stop pushing.
Run,
boys.
boys.
No! My brothers are dead. I swear, if I get sandwiched. No, my hand! No, my hand! Go! Fix my hand. I'm gonna fix my hand right now. Fix my hand! He's stalker. He a stalker. He's stalking me. Yes.
Bro.
Come Michael.
Did I Did I win? Please tell me I won.
Bro, actually, shut up. But
Yes!
that
Yes, I
No,
won!
bro.
No, I hate jump rope.
Yo, guys, can you stop making it being drug?
I need to be the first person to make
I
it.
hate
Who
that.
wants to friend me?
I'm not that good with my left hand. So, I jumped. Oh my god. I look, kind of suck at the game. I don't know why. Because I just do. Nah, bro, I'm cooked.
Yo!
Okay, come on. Jump. 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 Why am I jumping in real life? Why am I jumping? Why the heck was I jumping in real life for that? I don't know why.
Yeah, bro, please. Yeah, bro, please don't push me. Please.
I won't.
Please.
I won't. I
Please.
won't. I just want to watch. Wow. If that many people don't make it, then
Don't get up here, bro.
I won't.
Do
Yeah.
not get up here.
We're
Please.
the only two people that are gonna win. Let's go. Unless one of us die in the next game.
5, 4,
No!
3, 2, 1.
Goodbye. Goodbye to them.
Goodbye.
Yo, they said. How are we gonna do
Oh,
this?
what the frick? Yo, get the teams. Teams, okay? Teams.
Yeah, teams.
Teams.
I slapped you. Alright. Two.
Two.
Where are we
Two.
going? Green. Go to green. Blue. This one. Close it. Oh my gosh. Bro, what?
Guys,
Who's
Oh,
still
oh,
alive?
shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, no.
How the heck?
Yo.
How are you out there?
I don't know.
One. You go in that one. I go in pink.
One.
R.I.P. to that one guy that just got stuck outside. I don't know how he survived.
Yo,
How are you getting out there?
Peace. I'm gone. One.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
yeah, bro. We're doomed.
Oh my gosh, I hate. Let me just like break these so then we know where to go. I tried pushing you, but it didn't work. Watch. Get out. No! Bruh.
Come on, bro. Come on.
What?
Bro, look. Do this.
But I missed. What the heck?
I just missed that one.
Okay.
Us. Come on, bro.
Which one is it?
Nice. Bro, just jump right here.
I made it.
Nice,
Let's
bro.
go.
Nice. Imagine it to be red light, green light. 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Yeah, imagine red light, green light.
Bro, come on, bro. Up here, bro.
Last time I did that, I died.
Well, I didn't die.
It's cookie game. It's
I'm
cookie. I'm
Because I only have one hand. I'm doomed. I'm finna get my other hand.
Yes,
What?
I did it. No, my friend, he's gone for. I win. All right, that's the end of the video for some reason. If you guys want me to do a video on like be the monster, then comment down below. Peace. Yeah.